listen. All right, there it is with the original cover. All right, somebody got it? There's a cover that came with the boat. Look how nice. Original cover with the boat. It's got new stitching. New stitches. It says SEADEW on it. That's the cover. There's the boat. Brand new galvanized trailer. Challenger SEADEW decals still intact. The original cover. It's amazing. Again, my favorite toy. Brand new engine. Here it is. Goodbye. 12 grand. Goodbye. I'm going to put the other cover on it now. I can keep it double covered. Thank you. Put the other cover on it. And there is a spare tire, which no one has. Little addition we put on to galvanize the new trailer. I love it. It's got the little step ups on it. There we go. Both sides, SEADEW. Decals are perfect. Everything's in good shape. Boat's like brand new.